This is an update for Mr. Waynemarks. Mr. Zaldieber's crew is on site on this week's update. Guys, continue with the V-groove installation for our living and kitchen room area. Also, the guys continue with the sanding of our V-groove for the flooring. Also on this week's update, we have our AC technician here on site, placing in all our AC roughings, our copper tubing for our AC. We have two sets of copper lines, one for the living room area and one for our bedroom. This is Mr. Waynemarks' update. Guys, also commenced with the filling of our gaps, also the sanding of our battlefield.